This is a left-handed video tutorial for a 5-sided granny square in US terminology. I used number 3 cotton thread and a size D crochet hook to create this 4-inch square, but you could easily use yarn and a larger hook to make a larger square. We will start the block by making a pink flower. To begin, make a magic circle and chain 1. Adjust your ring and chain 5 more. This will count as a double crochet and a chain 2. Double crochet in the ring and chain 2. You will do this 3 more times. Double crochet in the ring and chain 2. Double crochet in the ring and chain 2. Double crochet in the ring and chain 2. You should now have 4 spaces. Make the last space with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain of the beginning chain 5.